Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the controller and the device you'll pair. Make sure the DualSense has at least some charge or is temporarily USB powered. This avoids interruptions. On your phone, PC, or tablet, open Bluetooth settings and keep the list visible. Then press and hold the Create button and the PS button together until the light bar flashes quickly. That puts the controller into pairing mode. Once the light blinks, move immediately to the device and search for a new accessory named Wireless Controller. Now choose the controller on the device's Bluetooth list and accept any pairing prompts. On most phones and Macs, that's it. On Windows, you might see a request for a PIN. Try 0000 if asked. If you're pairing with Steam or specific apps, open them to enable enhanced features. Keep in mind that adaptive triggers and full haptic feedback are often restricted to Ps5 and select PC apps. On iOS or Android, you'll get basic input and battery reporting only. Once paired, test input in a simple app or game. To finalize, charge the controller, and if you plan to use full features on a Ps5, connect it via USB to the console and update firmware in settings. This resolves many quirks. If pairing fails, press the reset pinhole on the back for 5 seconds, then repeat pairing from step 1. Also reduce interference. Stay within about 10 meters, move away from USB 3. 0 hubs and crowded 2. 4 GHz radios. If latency or dropouts persist, try a wired connection or update device Bluetooth drivers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.